Today, in the next 2 minutes, you're going to know that you are emotionally intelligent and strong, or you're not. Emotional strength is something that we all lack in our lives, and you gain this when you grow and evolve. And it takes time, obviously. But some people who are more intelligent and strong emotionally than their age, and we met them and we got amazed that how they achieve this. So today I'm going to reveal 10 signs that you are emotionally strong and intelligent and you don't care about people. So number 1, you forgive but you never reconnect. And this takes a lot of courage because there are some relationships in our lives in which we have to reconnect to them because we're living with them. For instance, our parents, siblings, relatives, cousins, friends, colleagues, boss, boyfriend, girlfriend, and many more like this. It's a long list. So if you forgive them but you never reconnect with them, this is your strength. This is your courage. This is your mindset. And this is the mindset that we want. Because you don't reconnect with them, you guard your self respect and peace. In a world full of socializing and Instagram, Facebook, reels, posts, you are the one who does not post every action or every move that you make. This makes you mysterious and people find you attractive and want to know more about you whenever they meet you, they talk to you because if you're a person who keeps on posting everything, it's not good for you, for your safety, for your family, and also for your personality. Don't post everything on social media and don't trust and just listen everything which comes on social media in front of you. Number 3, when everyone wants another person to validate their points, walk with them, talk with them, basically live with them, you are okay walking alone. You're okay if you're alone, you have the strength to fight your own battles without any help or without telling people about your problems, miseries, and worries. You can tackle them, handle them on your own, and you're perfectly fine with it. And even if you tell someone, you're sure that this person will going to help me and you can trust them. So you're wise enough. Who do you want to share your problem with? Number 4, you're not a people pleaser. You're not someone who is an attention seeker and say no without any guilt. You are someone like that. You're strong on your own, you do your own things, you're independent, and if anything is beyond your limits or conflicts with your boundaries, you just push them away. Or you just say no to them easily. Then, baby darling, you're emotionally intelligent and strong. Number 5, you don't prove yourself to anyone until and unless you care about them. That you don't care what people are gonna think about me, what people are gonna say about me, what they're going to like spread rumors about me. No, you don't care about that. You don't give them a damn. That's what makes you unstoppable. People are envious of you because they can't be like you. They always fear others. They think about others more than their own lives. Number 6, when they fight with you, when they misbehave with you, and now you don't overreact because they want you to overreact in an aggressive way, but you're so calm and composed that you don't give shit about them. And they're just so much devastated and confused because now you have become a stronger person emotionally and intelligent enough to heal yourself from the inside, and now their words cannot even penetrate the wall that you've created between them and you. You're secure yourself from their destruction, depression, and harsh words. Number 7, you choose silence over chaos. Now you don't fear if you're silent, and now they fear you because you don't overreact. You're peaceful, you're secure, they're insecure, they're overreacting, and they're shouting, and everyone around can see a clear difference. So when you give them a silent treatment, it makes them go crazy. Number 8, now you don't talk about your issues, problems, traumas, or any private thing with anyone, not even your best friends. And you're not doing this because they think that you're secretive or mysterious or shy, timid, weak. No, you're doing this to make yourself more protective from their bad behavior, their judgments, what they think about you, their reviews. You heal privately. You heal amazingly. You go for therapies, you take some sessions, you talk to the experts or your loved ones like your sister, brother, or anyone who can you trust blindly, or maybe you make yourself spiritually stronger. And because you know they're not going to let you down, they're not going to turn you down, they're not going to leave you in any situation. They don't judge you. This is the biggest thing, you know. As a human being, we all need a human diary in which we can write all our problems, all our stress, tensions, and feel relieved after that. So be that person for someone. Be for someone, be that person for someone traumatic, for someone serious, who's not happy, worried, anxious, depressed. Be that human diary for someone and don't judge them based on their thinking and their situation they're going through. Understand them, don't judge people. It hurts the most. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And if any of these qualities resonates with you, you're the strongest person. Believe me, be kind and have patience. If I am telling you that being emotionally intelligent is and strong is good, it doesn't mean that you have to be rude, you have to be unkind and problematic, disgusting, or overreacting. No, it's not like that. You know, attract positive people, attract positivity. We should be more grateful for the things that God has given us in our lives. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye.